Welcome to our YouTube channel English for All by KDU tesol. Have you heard about these words? Still, yet, already? Still, yet, already are adverbs of time. Let's look at the different meanings of them. First word is still. Still is used to talk about a situation which is continuing often longer than expected. As you can see in this picture, an hour ago it was raining, but now it is still raining. Let's look at some examples. First one is I still live in London. It means at past I lived in London, but now I am living in London. Second one is I had a lot to eat, but I am still hungry. It means even though I ate a lot, I am hungry now. Last one, I have still got my old car. It means at past I had an old car, but now also I have an old car. Second word is yet. Yet is especially used in negatives to say something we are expecting has not happened. As you can see in the first picture, 20 minutes ago they were waiting for a bus. In the second picture, now also they are waiting for a bus. It means the bus hasn't come yet. Let's look at some examples. She hasn't called yet. I haven't finished my homework yet. I haven't finished eating yet. He hasn't gone yet. Last word is already. Already is used to talk about an action which has happened sooner than expected. Let's look at this example conversation. Jane, where is Kate and Smith? I haven't seen them. Peter, they have already come. Haven't you seen them? They are behind you. Let's look at some example sentences. I have finished the lunch 10 minutes ago, but I'm already hungry again. I think John already knows about the surprise party. When you arrive, I will already be there. So now we have come to the end of our video. Hope you have got a clear idea about the three words still, yet and already. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Thank you.